Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to run JavaScript in your Visual Studio Code. First of all guys, there is too many ways to actually run JavaScript and to have it in your Visual Code. So first of all, if you went to code.visualstudio.com and you downloaded it for Windows and you started installing it, and somehow you missed to actually choose the JavaScript as your language, there is no worries about that because you actually can set up JavaScript from the software itself without the installed process. So what you have to do is after you download it and you install it and then you create your account, just launch the software just like so, and then you will find this menu over here. You might find these two, you might not find these two because these ones are for Python. So you will find only these five. So all you need to do is go to the extensions, which is the fifth one. Or you just have to click on Control X, Shift X, and then you will have it opened. Now what you'll have to do is search for Java. Here we go. So now I'm going to search for JavaScript. And basically what you'll have to do is just go ahead and choose whatever JavaScript you want. So for example, I want this one, so I will click on it, or you can choose this one, whatever JavaScript you actually want. So this has like 10 million, so I will go for this one. After that, you just have to click on install. You just have now to wait a little bit. Here we go. Now we add another one, so we make sure that we have the correct JavaScript. And yeah, we add this one as well because you might have to download the ones that have this check mark to be able to have like the correct one. And of course, you'll have to download the ones that have Microsoft next to it. For example, this one wasn't necessary for me to download, but you can download it overall because it has this check mark. So after we finish with that, you will be ready now to actually start making your JavaScript code, and you can do whatever you'd like, and you can run JavaScript in your Visual Studio Code. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.